Hello, Harper's Bazaar, Indonesia. I'm Jihane Almira Chedid, and I'm gonna show you what's in my bag. Alright, first of all, let's open up what's inside. It's pretty basic. Sebenarnya basic aja sih barang-barang yang di dalam tas aku. It's just normal things girls usually bring, I think. Hopefully. My phone. Handphone itu udah penting banget, udah pasti harus dibawa kemana-mana. With a charged battery, of course. I'm always on the red bar. Kemudian, pasangannya yaitu headphones. Memang cukup klasik ya anaknya ya, nggak mau pakai AirPods because I don't know, I just like things to be held firmly. Karena kalau udah AirPods itu pasti ada yang satu hilang atau nggak tahu satunya kemana. Jadi I'm preventing that to happen. Terus yang paling penting, perfume. I always carry a perfume anywhere I go. Jadi biasanya kalau misalnya emang handbag aku kecil, aku selalu bawa yang bisa untuk pagi dan juga malam. And then, of course, penting banget juga a wallet. Although mungkin dalamnya nggak ada cashnya, it's fine because now you can use your card or simply your phone, e-wallet, right? And then some sunnies. It's pretty dirty. I have to clean it up. But yeah, sunnies are always a need karena kita nggak pernah tahu when you're going to see the sun, when you're going to become a vampire, so you just have to use your sunnies mostly when sunlight appears. And then, last but not least, sumpah ya basic banget sih, tas aku emang isinya cuman gini-gini aja. Sisir. Kenapa? Karena rambut aku itu super mekar, jadi kemanapun aku pergi, aku harus bawa sisir. So apparently that's it. That's all. I have nothing left. Very simple. I hope you guys are not bored, but those are the things I have in my bag. That's it. Bye, guys.